welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Chrissy Harless and I post 2 new beauty videos every single week, and I do focus on beauty reviews as well as unboxings, and this is kind of something built together. This is going to be a review of the ESALON light set. Now this is their lightening set that is going to give you highlights. They try to tell you that you're going to be awesome at doing a balayage treatment on your own hair to create a beautiful ombre effect, and we are going to see if that is actually true or if I fail and ruin my hair completely. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what my hair currently looks like. It is just the same color, like golden brown all the way from root to tips, and then I'm gonna throw up a picture here of my inspiration and what I'm trying to look like, and see if I could do this on my own. And I have to admit that I have zero confidence in myself whatsoever. I've watched no less than 20 videos on how to do this. I watched the video that ESALON has on their website with tips and tricks, and I'm probably gonna mess this up and have to recolor my hair. But we are gonna see how easy is this for a complete amateur to be able to do at home, because that's what this company, that's what ESALON is marketing this towards. People who can box dye their hair at home, but then also now people who can highlight their own hair at home. I guess we will see. To kind of dig in here, show you guys everything that is included in what we're going to do. First step is, of course, wear a shirt that you don't care about. I took it a step further, and I had purchased at one of my last things, like I had added this on, I think it was $10, and it's a whole cape, like from the salon, kind of a cape. I'm also doing this in my bedroom right now, so I have towels laid all over the floor, but if you're in your bathroom, if you have like tile with grout and stuff, just protect your tile and stuff anyways and throw a towel down. Next up, some of the things that I have to help me with this process. I have a mixing bowl. You can get this at CVS. It's actually from ESALON, but you can pick this up at CVS. It comes with a brush. It comes with the clips that you need. And then it also comes with a timer. I believe it was $10, so it's a total steal to be able to do that. And then the box itself, and inside of this box are your instructions personalized to you, the lightener, oh, another one of these little brushes, an activator, a toning mask, and then everything you need to apply your sun swept highlights, it says, which I believe is just like your gloves and stuff. Yeah, 2 sets of gloves and a highlighting shampoo and product safety and usage. Okay, so we have everything we need to get started. I am petrified. So the light set is something that you can add onto your existing ESALON order. I don't believe that you can purchase it separately, but I may be wrong. I get my order every 11 weeks. I process it a little bit sooner if I want to color a little bit sooner than that. But you can choose to add on the light set every color, every 2 colors, or every 3 colors. It is $35 on its own, and then in addition to your color, you're looking at doing the color and the highlights at $60 for an order, and then you get free shipping. First thing I am going to do is read through my entire instructions real quick. And it comes with a little sticker so you can stick your instructions up. So stick it here to my monitor. Alright, so the first instructions say to brush out clean dry hair and protect your clothes with a cape or an old towel. Divide hair into a horseshoe shape 2 inches above your temples around the crown and tightly secure into a top bun. Alright, next up, divide hair into another horseshoe shape right below your temples. Tightly secure the middle section into a bun, leaving the bottom loose. Okay, actually, when I was on the website, when I was on the ESALON website and they were explaining this, they did 3 sets of buns, and I kind of want the hair to melt more into, or the color to melt more into my hair a little bit further down, so I'm going to do that and actually add in a few more layers here. Okay, I'm gonna do those 3 sections like the website had. All right, the next step is to combine the lightener, which came in this foil packet here, and the activator, which is in this bottle, into my bowl, and it says mix, mix, mix the lightener and activator together until it's smooth and creamy. It says I should have my gloves on. I am so scared. I'm so scared. Okay, so we're done there. It says start by pinching a square inch strip of hair right above your ear closest to your face and grab your applicator brush. If you're highlighting for the first time, here's your technique. Begin at the middle of the strip using the flat side of the bristles and not the tips. Okay, highlight by evenly painting the mixture at a diagonal slant, not straight across, up towards the roots until you're an inch away from your scalp, then stroke back down to fully saturate the ends. Repeat above the other ear. A little bit different than some of the instructions. I have something in this eye, I'm sorry. Okay, a little bit different from the instructions that I had seen online, but let's go ahead. I'm gonna use this clean one to kind of separate a section. Like an inch. So the goal is, I guess, with the balayage technique, is to create more light face framing highlights, and then it kind of like melts down in the back. Grab a very thin strip. I'm going about an inch across here. It says to paint it on using, okay, paint it on using the flat side of the brush and not the tips. Okay. A lot of what I'd seen online says like, make sure the ends are fully saturated, and then, oh man, I need like a towel. Ow. Okay, grab a towel real quick. Make sure you have something so that you can wipe your hand off. So it was like, I know it just said to use the brush, but I'm not as skilled with the brush as I am like this. So it said to saturate your ends and then just kind of like sweep it up. And that sweeping up is supposed to give you the melting effect. And in the video, it showed only doing the one side. In the video on ESALON's website, it showed only doing like one strip on either side. And you want to work like one side, other side, one side, other side. That way they process evenly. Layer 1 is done. So take down your middle bun. Okay, so take down the bun using your technique, starting with strips closest to your face. Continue to highlight around the section, alternating from side to side. About 6 to 8 strips in total. Hold hard to reach strips like the ones in the back up above your head to apply, and then when you're done highlighting this section, release the next section. Okay. Put it in fast forward here for you guys so we can speed through this part. Okay, so I'm feeling like they're pretty even all the way around my head, or like tossily even all the way around my head. So I don't want to overdo it and add more, because I feel like I want more lightening in the back, like towards the bottom. I'm gonna see how this turns out, and then I'll have a lot left over because I have a ton still left right now if I want to maybe have a second go at it later and make it a bit more lightened on the ends, but I don't want to overdo it right now. I'm on the last section. So it says, so here we are. Take down your top bun. Okay. Have a center part highlight from front to back, about 3 matching strips on each side. Have a side part from the forehead back, split the section with the most hair in 2, secure that half out of the way. Highlight the exposed half from front to back, about 3 strips, then let the other half loose to reveal your preferred part line. Repeat to make sure both sides of your preferred part line are highlighted with about 3 matching strips. Okay. Split the section with the most hair in 2 and secure half of it out of the way. All right, so that's the way. Oh man, my hands have a lot on them. So that's where my part generally goes. So take this section with the most hair, split it in 2. All right, so we'll do 3 little strips on this side, and then we'll do both those sides. Okay, so all of the highlights are in my hair, and now it says after your last strip, set your timer for 30 minutes. Still got some mixture left over. Don't toss it. Oh, do toss it. It won't be any good later. Okay, so set my timer for 30 minutes. And I'll be back soon. Okay, so my timer is going to be going off in about 20 seconds. So, and I'm losing battery here. And the last step says to rinse and tone. So when my timer goes off, put on a fresh pair of gloves and rinse your hair with water until it runs clear. Then thoroughly shampoo your hair. Wring water from your hair. Whoop, there we go. Wring water from your hair and generously apply the toning mask. all over from roots to ends and set the timer for 15 minutes. Thoroughly rinse out the toning mask when time is up. No conditioning is needed. So you did it. Once your hair dries, you'll notice natural looking multi-dimensional highlights. It'll look as if they've been kissed by the sun. So that is the goal. My timer just went off. I am going to run, jump in the shower, rinse, wash, tone. I will dry and style it and be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back and I honestly could not be happier. Like, you can tell I'm smiling from like ear to ear because I am legit actually really happy with the results. I felt like it took a really long time, probably the same amount of time as it would have been a salon, but like, oh my God, I think it looks so good. Let me turn around. I think it turned out so good. So I am like ecstatic. I'm over the moon with the results. I did not have this much confidence in myself to actually be able to pull this off. Honestly, nobody had the confidence in me to get this done correctly, but I'm super excited that I did, and I will put the link to the subscription box down in the description box below. If you do end up using my link, you end up getting your first box, I believe, for only $10, and then I don't actually get any money. I just get money, I guess, I get credit towards future hair dyes, which this mom could definitely use, so I truly, truly appreciate it. Tell me what you guys think about this box. Is this something that you think that you would do? And now with my video, do you feel like you could probably do this just as good as me? Because I promise you, I'm an amateur. It's the first time I've ever highlighted hair, and I did not think that it was gonna come out well. So they definitely set me up for success. I truly, truly appreciate that. And please don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. I will see you guys next time. Bye!